Hello everyone, this is Coder Singh and this is the third tutorial on TypeScript, Express and MongoDB. So today we will be talking about how we can pass the JSON data in the post method. So let's suppose I do app.post some data, we can say data, and again we can copy paste it from here over here. So over here we can get the data from console.log request.data. Request.body, sorry. So once we have the request.body, I would rather start with cd basics yarn start. So we will use a client like Postman or Insomnia, or I don't know, something, one more software just like Postman. You can download it, and Postman is just a basic client to test a couple of things. So I'm gonna do data and I'm gonna send it to that particular thing. So what I'm getting over here is you can say post data, this thing which is being done, but what we are getting over here for the console log is undefined over here. So we are passing data which is over here. Let's create one more. If you are not familiar with Postman, I would rather say just go to just type on the Google Postman and download it. It is, I think it's available for all the three platforms, I guess. And it's, so we're gonna write, once it is set up, you will get a page like this after the setup, and you can just type in the URL localhost. It is basically best for backend developers who are testing their API. So we're gonna do localhost 8080. It's on running on port 8080, so 8080, and we're gonna go to body section. We make sure that your request method is post over here. I'm gonna go to body section, we go to raw, and over here we change it to JSON, application JSON. So we're gonna send some data like name, let's suppose Coder Singh, and let's suppose we're gonna go for age, which is 21, and we can go for one more thing. This just cool, is am I cool, true. So these all things I will be sending to the data, and yet I get the response from here. Hello YouTube, you can say hello data. Okay, let's do it once again. Yeah, we got it. Just because TypeScript takes a bit of time to compile and then run the code, so that's why it happened. So again we are getting undefined. So how we can solve the problem? So what we're gonna do, import star as body parser from body parser. So you're gonna simply go and use app.use body parser dot JSON, as you want JSON, so we will be requiring JSON over here. So yes, it's saved. Once it will be running, I'll get server is running. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna send the data, and here it is. We are getting name, Coder Singh 821, and cool is true. So I hope you got to know how we can pass the JSON data in order to get the data from the request, and we can destructure it in a way like const name. You can go for name, uh, age, and what else? It was there, cool. So you can destructure it by request.body, and we can do console log for each and everything, name, and similarly we can go for age, and similarly cool, And cool. So you got my point, but still I wanted to show you guys. If you want to skip, you can skip this particular thing. I just wanted to show you how we can destructure the data. It is really cool thing which I like. It is not a TypeScript thing. It is a JavaScript thing. But whatever it is, it's amazing. So thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. For your information, I have been posting my code to this particular URL. I keep on posting it to um, I keep on posting in the description. You can go to this URL in description, and you will be able to find the code video wise. So video one, video two. Master branch is the latest branch in which what let's suppose if the video two is the latest one. So master branch will have the video two branch, and it's the code of video two branch. So thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial, and if you guys like it, then please start this repository, and you can follow me as well on Instagram. I'm sorry, on GitHub, and you can yes you can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter account is Coder Singh, and even if you like that, if you like the content, then please subscribe to my channel and like my video. It really motivates me to create new videos for you guys. And thank you so much for staying tuned.